How to substitute players on Fantasy Premier League. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can substitute players on Fantasy Premier League. So before we begin with that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First, open up your Premier League app or the website, then log in into your account. After you do that, head over to the fantasy section on the bottom here. Then on your pick team section, you can tap on pick team and you'll see your team and everything else. So to change or substitute your players, what you'll need to do is simply tap on a player. Then there you'll see the substitute option. Tap on it and choose who you want to change. So change that player. Now keep in mind that if you change a position player with another player of another position, your formation will change. So what I mean by that is if I change this defender from here with a forward player, as you can see, the a formation has been changed as well. And yeah, that's basically how you substitute players on your Premier League app. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.